Welcome back. Civil society contesting assembly elections is like blooming of mushrooms during monsoon, is what Chief of Congress election campaign Mauvin Godinho feels. He has made it clear that Kortali is his erstwhile seat and he wants a ST or OBC candidate to contest from the constituency. Godinho is confident that issues like illegal mining in the state and regional plan will not affect Congress during assembly poll.
The mushrooms come up. You have seen hordes of parties coming up trying to prop up their candidates. In the same way, now civil society group also are jumping the queue and they want to put up their candidates. In a democracy, everybody is free to put their candidates, but the results will show, the number of votes they actually will poll will show them that what is the real thinking of the people. Because if that is the case, then there should not have been political parties. It should have been left like a free-for-all market where all civil groups only contest. Coming in a manner at the last moment only to split some votes of some political party or of some particular individual is not a very healthy sign.
Mauvin Godinho also informed media that he wants ST or OBC candidate to contest election on Congress ticket in his erstwhile constituency, Kortali.
It is my erstwhile seat as I have shifted to Dabolim. The simple proposition is, when I have shifted to Dabolim and it is my erstwhile seat, obviously my view will be taken into consideration. More so because I have not asked this particular seat for a member of my family. I have not asked for my kith and kin. All I have said is preferably give this seat to our ST community or OBC community.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Savio Coutinho, an aspiring candidate from Madgaon, has founded Madgaon Front for Change. Savio is firm on contesting the election from Madgaon with the help of his supporters and NGOs. He clarified that Madgaonkars are not given any facilities for the past many years. The main motive behind forming the front is to bring a change.
Savio Coutinho, along with his supporters, have established Madgaon Front for Change. Savio said that from past many years there was no development in Madgaon constituency. He said that their main aim is to bring change.
We will ensure that the Margaon people who have been denied proper justice, in spite of all the top positions, we will see that Margaon benefits. Our Margaon representative, Margaon MLA, is capable of having a BJP candidate of his choice. You can imagine to what level, extent of this thing can happen. So that Margaon enjoyed for full 5-year term, but not a single issue of Margaon could be addressed properly to give a concrete solution.
Madgaon Municipality Councillor Sangeeta Audi said that they need democratic Madgaon.
आज आमकां चेंज जाय, स्पेशली हांव बायलां खातीर चलयां खातीर म्हणटा, कित्याक आज म्हजेर हल्लो जालो, फाल्यां आजकाल बी ल्हान ल्हान चलयो भोंवता कॉलेजीच्यो स्कुलाच्यो, तांचें भवितव्य आसा फुडें, तांणी कितें करपाचें.
They appeal all to support the Madgaon Front for Change in the constituency.
आमी अपील करता, तुम्ही लोकांनी शिकले लोकांनी फुडें येवचे, सगळे समाज लोकांनी फुडें येवचे आनी हो मडगांव चेंज करून हाडचो, जो बरो बेटरमेंट मडगांव करपाक लागून बरे लोकांक चान्स दिवचो.
A reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
An uninvited person gradually enters your birthday party, enjoys the dinner, discourses with the musicians and escapes with a bag. The bag that contains gold, cash, gifts and a mobile, all worth 1 lakh rupees. The robbery took place a month back and the Madgaon police are still without any clue. Prudent brings to you an exclusive footage of the robbery.
A birthday party was scheduled in MMC Hall in Madgaon on 28th December. Many guests were invited for the party. However, there was one person who was seen loitering in the hall. Nobody knew him. He had his dinner, enjoyed the music, keeping his sight on the gold and gifts bag which was kept aside on a chair. The organizer of the party informed us that all the gold and cash gifted to his son was kept in the bag. The bag was kept on the chair by his relatives, getting engrossed in some other work.
So this fellow enters at like 9:52 or something.
He's unknown to you?
No, he's not known to us, any of us. So he just enters and directly goes into the dining. This fellow takes his dinner and all, and then he comes into the hall. Okay, and what happened was actually whatever gold or cash what we have received, no, it was put in my wife put it in her carry bag. So then she got up and kept the bag there only on the chair, and she started speaking to her family members. And that's how she started moving away from the bag. That's the time this fellow comes, and then he goes around, then he goes and he speaks to that, music DJ or somebody, and then he comes and picks up the bag. Okay. And then he just walks off here. So earlier what happened, we didn't, when we started looking for the bag, we didn't get it. So we thought we didn't know what happened. So next day I went to this hall MCG and I asked him for the footage. Yeah, and then that's how we came to know.
The family also informed us that they immediately complained to the Madgaon police and gave the footage as evidence. But there is no action by the police even after a month. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now a look at the other political events in the state.
Rajni Raikar is another aspiring candidate in Fatorda. She feels that Fatorda constituency needs improvement as there was no development from last 10 years. She is presently the Panch member of Dikarpale Panchayat. She is also a member of Salsid Mahila organization. Ranji Raikar is a strong supporter of Churchill Alamau. She has denied any rumors of Churchill forcing her to contest election in Fatorda.
सध्या तरी खंयच्या पक्षा बरोबर ना हांव एक अपक्ष म्हणूनच हांव भितर सरिल्लें आसा तळमळ आसा की ह्या फातोर्डा वाठाराची थोडी उदरगत करची जाता तितली कामां करची आणि ह्या इच्छेन हांव भायर सरलां.
Members of Samajwadi Party in Pedna inaugurated their office recently. They have expressed their unrest over neglecting their community. They said that political parties have not extended a helping hand towards their community. They have also announced that Sanjay Kole in Mandre constituency and Manohar Pednekar in Pedne will contest the assembly poll under this party.
जे पहिले आम्ही परवरी डिक्लेअर केले मिस्टर राजू डिसोजा स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट प्लस कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून ओके आणि सेकंड तालेगाव कॅन्डिडेट नेटी पो म्हणून 13 तारीख त्याची डिक्लेअर केले असा आणि त्याच्या उपरांत मांद्रे संजय कोले म्हणून त्याची तिकीट डिक्लेअर केले असा त्याच्या उपरांत आज आम्ही मनोहर पेडणेकराक आम्ही डिक्लेअर केले.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.